sorry.
Man, dude, don't cry. I mean, cry all you need to, actually. And don't be sorry. I'm sorry because I feel I have to record this because I feel like this is a reality that people are living. And why can't they go to someone? Who can you go to? Why can't people go to someone like that? You got all these people who are in your face pretending to be your friends and family, but can you actually go to them? No, man, that's not family, dude. That's not family. If that's the case, as much as people who say they don't want to be in business with you because of that family stuff, it's all lopsided, man. It's all lopsided. Money isn't necessarily what makes family, but it does change the concept of family in today's world. The same thing with friends. But that's why I'm doing these giveaways, and who knows how much I actually have. Who actually knows?
Man, bro, I can't believe it, bro. I'm telling you, bro, I was gonna ready to say this towards the end of our day before I left for you today, bro. But man, yeah, bro.
Like Billy, man, I knew something was off, right? Cause you were showing up on time, bright and early, and I knew it was just something that, and I know you got three boys. You got three boys, man. Them boys are your life. Dude, you out here working how many jobs? How many jobs for them boys, not for yourself.
It ain't about me,
For
bro.
them boys, man. And the thing is, there's people who have to have that before they realize that life isn't about them. But then there's people who have that and still don't realize that life isn't about them. That's why I'm doing this. Whatever it takes, however it takes, that's why I'm doing this. And I realize there's so many people outside of the people who think they know me by my face. You know what I mean?
I knew, bro, when I said I was coming to bring that car back to you, bro.
Yeah.
I said I'm gonna have a talk with him. Cause you got some people they just willing to try to make a couple of dollars real quick. But it was a God-given thing. He sent me to you, bro.
Amen, brother. Amen, brother. God damn, man.
God is real, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I got family that I know, bro. Over the time of me being on this earth, I never did anything for me, bro.
How is that possible, man? And I'm bad because I don't call people on their birthday. Where my calls at? Right? Why is it comes down to us, me? It's the type of people that we are. Because we give to others first, they entitled to that. They demand it. And they're not gonna get it anywhere else but for people who are just vulnerable like that. But you know what? That vulnerability, it builds strength, man. It builds character. It builds judgment. It builds something that people who are living behind a front, a facade, you know what I mean? It's a completely different lifestyle. When you were in the upper echelon, when you were living above that, you know, I mean, if it comes down to money in today's world, we keep it in house. The daggone